a new self-care routine is a beautiful blessing. Now, starting a new self-care routine. It's about time. Most of us definitely at Inu will have a very healthy routine by now, the way we start our day. But anyway, since Shrima had mentioned it as a blessing, I thought maybe a little recap will help here. And a few tips may be added for you to start your routine. See, one thing I want you all to understand, நம்ம என்ன ஒரு healthy routine எடுத்தாலும் we have to follow certain rules and regulation. நீங்க என்கிட்ட சொல்லக்கூடாது, நான் இதெல்லாம் பண்றேனால நான் எதுக்கு மாஸ்க் போடணும், நான் இதெல்லாம் பண்றேனால நான் எதுக்கு social distance பண்ணணும். No. You have to. Because God has blessed us with a mechanism which is not immortal. It is prone to many things. What we can do is safeguard it as much as possible so that we are able to bounce back from any setbacks that we have in a healthy way, and we are able to lead our mechanism in a healthy way. So you have to keep that in mind. So number one, our country, it's a beautiful paradise of God that has been blessed with herbs. அவ்வளோ மூலிகை இருக்கு நம்ம நாட்டில், அதை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறதில்லை. So start your day first with nature. Coffee, tea எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு ஏதாவது ஒரு drink that is absolutely natural. Go for turmeric, go for honey and water, go for lime and lukewarm water. இல்லை எதுவுமே பிடிக்கலையா, வெறும் plain warm water. So start your day with something 100% natural. Illa amla juice, fruit juice, இது எல்லாமே please do not buy the ones that we get which says 100% natural. amla juice na நெல்லிக்காய் வாங்கி நீங்க ஜூஸ் போடணும் காலையில, அதுதான் natural. So first thing, start your day with some kind of natural drink which will be very rejuvenating. And then as soon as you wake up, காலையில எந்திரிச்சு பெட்ல உட்கார்ந்தோனே feel your breath. Just keep your finger under your nose like that, and when you breathe you will realize that one side, your left or your right, you will be able to feel the breath more stronger. If you feel it on the right, put your right foot on the ground first, and you can balance yourself with your right hand and you get up. If you feel it is on the left side, keep your left foot on the ground first and you can get up, balancing yourself with your left hand. That is mostly for you to be very conscious of your breathing, which will calm you. So you please practice that. And yes, Sam, once you do your pranayama, it will balance. So that's why I'm telling you first thing in the morning. நீங்க அதை பண்ணிட்டு எந்திரிக்கலாம். And then go out into nature. எவ்வளோக்கு எவ்வளோ energy from the trees and from nature, from the air you can receive, please do that. If you do not have a garden, if you live in an apartment, just open out the windows and you inhale the fresh air. It will be so rejuvenating. It will energize your body and it will be pure prana, pure energy for your system early in the morning. And then you go for your sunbathing. Sunbathing is a must. It is a natural sanitizer for us and a healer. It is free. Why not use it? So please sunbathe. Breathe in the fresh air. All this is purely natural. You don't need any props for this also. So எனக்கு இது இல்லை அது இல்லை அப்படின்னு ஒரு எக்ஸ்கியூஸே இங்கே கிடையாது. Fresh air is free. Sunshine is free. And they are all invaluable, priceless, beautiful gifts of nature. Then when you go in for your bath, bucket of water fill pannone, just unga pointy finger vachi Om on top of the water eludittu you have a good bath. Have a good bath with nice energy of Om filling it. Now those who feel okay Om venda appdinu nenachina for various reasons, you can sprinkle in the golden dust which I have taught you on. Other sprinkle pannittu you can bathe. Bathing அப்படினாவே usually from head to toe தான். This is one of the main reasons why my crowning glory is like this. So cold பிடிச்சிருமா, ஒத்துக்காதா, முடி கொட்டிருமா, அதெல்லாம் I don't know. ஏன்னா எனக்கு நல்லா தான் இருக்கு. So I can only share my experience. It's up to you all to see whether it suits you or not. But குளிக்கிறது குளியல் அப்படினாவே head to toe. We do the acupressure points in class, excellent, but then it is always better when we do it early morning on an empty stomach. So you can start your day with pressure points and a few mild stretches. Those stretches I will teach you all tomorrow, since it's yoga day tomorrow. Simple stretches we will do for each part of our body. So these are the few things which you can do as a self-care routine. In spite of this, I want you to understand we have been given a mechanism which is fragile, which definitely can fall sick. அதனால ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது. Sick ஆனோனா we will be able to bounce back. அவ்வளவுதான். Nowadays we hear a lot about this COVID positive with very, very close people. Girls, I want you all to be very sensitive to such people. In I don't know whether I mentioned this, but in Josh they had mentioned. The only thing that helps COVID patients to get healed very quickly is love and support and comforting words. So we have to be very sensitive to people who fall sick at this time especially. And all you can do is just send good words of love and comfort. So self-care routine, I'm sure all of you will be able to follow. Please keep it 100% natural. 100% natural. Even neem leaf, you can make it into smash it up with little warm water, boil it, and you can drink that also. Omavalli you can have. Idella very easily available. Tulasi you can have. See, I am giving you so many alternatives for your tea and coffee. So please follow it. And you can even use Thuduvalai. Now Thuduvalai it is called a divine herb, it seems. ஏன்னா அது பேரே தூதுவளை. அது நம்மள்ட்ட இருந்து தூது போகுமா வலை போட்டு அவரோட ஹீலிங் அண்ட் பிளெஸிங்ஸை கொண்டு வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கொடுக்குமா. தூதுவளை ஹேஸ் சச் டிவைன் குவாலிட்டி. இட் க்ரோஸ் ஜஸ்ட் இன் த கார்டன். அது நம்ம நட்டி வச்சாலும் வரமாட்டேங்குது. ஏன்னா சுற்றி வந்து நட்டி வச்சா வரவே இல்லை. அது காக்காவா வந்து சீடு போட்டால் தான் வளருமா அது. They say that. And it will have little thorns in that. Have it just once or twice a week is enough. Daily அதை சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. இட்ஸ் குவைட் சூடு கொஞ்சம். ஸோ அதனால ரொம்ப சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. துவையெல்லாம் செஞ்சு சாப்பிடலாம். இல்லை 2 லீஃபை தண்ணியில் போட்டு கூட யூ கேன் ஹாவ் இட் one day as your morning drink. So many herbs we have which we can just reach out like that. So make use of all that and keep your self-care, especially the start of the day, 100% natural. Close your eyes.